Hello dear students, I hope you are so young and so very new and so fine as well. Today we are going to talk about respiration. So far, the respiration is a process by means of which living organisms obtain energy from food. रेस्पिरेशन सांस लेने का वो अमल है जिसके ज़रिए से जानदार खुराक से तवानाई हासिल कर लेते हैं. It involves the intake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide. As far as you know that the oxygen is involved in the burning process of the food material. So without oxygen the food is not digested. So it works like a burning. So इस अमल में ऑक्सीजन का दखल होना कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को खारिज करता है फूड में से. Respiration takes place in all living cells, both in plants and animals. There are two types of respiration, the aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. In case of aerobic respiration, the organisms use oxygen to burn the food material and get the energy by the burning of the food material. While paying a very little attention onto the front of anaerobic type of respiration, it requires a lesser amount of or no oxygen. And in case of the anaerobic respiration, the less energy is obtained. During respiration, glucose is broken down in carbon dioxide, water and energy. Energy, what we call the ATP. The ATP is said to be the prime energy currency of the cell. All the living organisms are dependent on the provision of the ATP, and as we respire the ATP is generated. So ATP is the prime energy currency of the cell. It supports all living systems, and all physiology of an individual is supported by the ATP. In human, the respiration mainly takes place in the lungs, but in case of the plants, the situation is very different. The released energy during the respiration is stored in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Okay, respiration is essential for growth, for the repair and movement, and all living activities. And this is all about the respiration.